yes, to answer your question, Matthew, it will help you. But as I mentioned at the beginning, I really, really recommend that first you learn how to do it manually, right? Because then when you set up rules in the software, if you're already a SellerApp member, it's a no-brainer, right? You're getting all the other tools. You can track your products in the product intelligence tool. You can set up your targets. And SellerApp is really good about setting up meetings with you and helping you be successful. So you can always utilize their help in setting up a campaign. They'll go through it with you. They'll help you, right? But before you do that, take the time to actually do some basic PPC training and some understanding of what is PPC and how do my ads show? Where do my ads show? What is ACoS and how do I calculate it? What is return on ad spend and how do I calculate it? Do some basic kind of advertising training so that you can set up really great goals and you can understand what's happening. I do this manually with all of my clients in the beginning because they're usually disappointed if they outsource their PPC and they don't understand what's going on. They're just like, it's spending all this money and I don't know what's happening, right? So we always aim to have a baseline understanding. And then, after you have that baseline understanding, you're like, yes, I know, I want to go after these keywords. These are where my buyers are. Find that buyer. This is where my buyer is. I want my ad to be on the page in front of this buyer. Then create some campaigns for those keywords on that page, and see if you can target. Then go to Amazon and see where your ads show up. And that's going to turn the green light on for you. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, there's my ads. I got it. Wow, I'm bidding on that keyword. There's my ad. I can find it. I know what's happening here. And then you can make decisions on whether to increase your bid, or if you love your placement and you're converting, you can leave it alone, right? Or you can even lower your bid slightly. Sometimes if you're converting at the top of the page, Amazon will actually leave you there even if you lower your bid. So because, conversions win for them. So I would just recommend trying it out and then going to SellerApp and looking at your campaign there and seeing what insights are given. And you're just, like I said, you're going to be able to go, oh, I get it. I get why they're recommending that I decrease my bid there.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.